Hey folks, it's Corey out here. We're out here on a high-rise project in Atlanta. We got about 1,700 foot of hardwoods that's been glued to the concrete that we're going to remove, and then we're going to glue new concrete down to the glue new cork to the concrete, and then the hardwood to the cork. Check it out. So we got here this morning around 9 o'clock. We got most of this 3/4 engineered. We got most of it up, and of course, as you can see, this cork is still down. We got to get all this cleaned up. We're in the process of removing this baseboard. I'm gonna get either my buddies over at EverDrive or AquaGuard to come in here. I'll show you the outside. But here's our floor that hadn't been touched just yet. I'm removing the baseboard right there due to the fact that I got moisture coming in from the outside. So I'm going to seal it myself with glue all the way around the perimeter, and then making sure I get plenty of glue down there at the bottom. And then we'll do what we can from the inside, reattach the baseboard, but we'll get somebody to come in and seal it from the outside. This is Hardwood Flooring Atlanta. We're removing all this marble? Mm-hmm. Oh, fantastic. Oh, that looks awesome. So all this marble's coming up too. And then soon we got some beautiful hardwood, which should be en route. Mr. Anthony is delivering it today, so I'll see him soon. But all this marble is coming up too. Out with the old and in with the new, baby. This is Hardwood Flooring Atlanta. High rise. Check out my view. This is hardwood style right here.